Let's talk about customer service and my prediction for customer service and AI. It is a field that we see the most interaction right now. Everybody is creating a customer service bot. I will say that some of them are getting really good. The AI ordering from Bojangles, which really is kind of like customer service. It's AI taking your order. And now that everybody's getting more comfortable, the model has learned a little bit more, it's actually better than, I hate to say it, it's probably better than some of the humans that I've had to order with.
He said that? What a nerve!
Is AI going to take some of these phone jobs, some of these customer service jobs? Yeah, absolutely. But what I am seeing happening and what we've been creating technologies around is a great way to use a telephone interface to go to a database with an AI chatbot interface. So that if you need to find out when your appointments are, you can dial in, press it online, ask a question, and let it dip into the database of the scheduled appointments to say, hey, Mr. Garrison, your appointment is on Monday the 17th at 3 o'clock. And that's great use of AI technology because then you don't have to take up somebody on the phone. Now, if I need to make a change or I need to update my insurance, something of that nature, that is the type of thing that I do encourage all companies. Make sure you've got that route that during business hours you can get a human on the phone and make it easy for somebody to jump from the AI side back over to the human side. It is something that requires that escalation. But the amount of things you can now self-service with AI is really blowing up, and something we're going to see over the next couple of months. I hope everybody enjoys this. If you guys are not already, please subscribe to this channel. It helps us to get you notified when we have great videos like this coming out.